Ka United Democratic Party UDP consortium ya karai hakabai debat ke election Shaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC kumju ke election Shiteng Samoy by election Hashlong Parliamentary Constituency namar ke jingklat no UMP na ka VPP u Dr. Ricky Eje Singkon hadien balakut ke Dorbar Mang Tyngka. Habakren Syllad pathai khubor haka arpundriu terik rempang u presiden ka UDP uba medba lingdo ulaong yang mentahi ngimpat ya keren AA haka parti hadien ke Dorbar latikna bangin saya keren kum ka parti halor ka MP by election ulaong uba medba ula benrap ba ka parti kadang bunkam ha ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka Henry Kidon ya ka jing temu ban syong jingalang ha ka tayo panwan kata shwa ka shpo terik ban rai ha ka bay debat ke election GHADC ulaong ru ba kinoyalam ka parti nari lunggaro ken saya kendu ban bishar bnia halor ki sinjam ki babiang tam na ka benta ka election GHADC arhajar arhundrio.
So now we have not discussed in the party. So party has to first sit and discuss. But because of this ongoing assembly session, therefore we will not be able to fix the day that meeting. So fourth session we will definitely meet as a party and discuss the way forward. Set as a meeting before the election, before the session. So, but we felt it would be appropriate for us to take all the friends from Garo Hills to see what is the best thing for us to do for this 26th GHADC election. So they are meeting as a party leaders from there, from Garo Hills, and with some of the leaders from here, and they're doing some exercise to see how we come up with a decision for contesting the election. So it's not the report, it's basically we have addressed to the party leaders who are looking after the entire Garo Hills area, and they are going to sit and discuss about it. And once the assembly session is over, we will meet together and seek their views and opinions to go ahead or not with the GHADC.